Hello, my name is Indrajit Saha and I am the executive chef of Zulal Wellness Resort by Chiva-Som. Today we are going to talk about the myths in protein intake from plant-based diet. Now before we do that, I want to highlight that during the COVID-19 research has been done that people has been seen to shift from a protein-based, a meat-based diet to a plant-based diet. But now the question arises for everyone's mind that whether this plant-based diet is good enough to give you enough protein that can sustain yourself in your life, in your lifestyle. So the question is, what do we eat in plant-based diet? Only fruits and vegetables? No, there are plenty more choices out there. We can eat quinoa, we have nuts, we have seeds. Just few examples to enlighten you a little bit is spinach. It's a very extremely high on nutrients product. We have quinoa, which is high on protein, and you always go out and you order for quinoa in different forms. And then you have guava, is a fruit which is high on protein. So why is protein important for us? Protein is very important to build and regenerate your cells. Protein are the building blocks to build your muscles and bones. Protein help us to aid in digestion. Protein also oxygenate our blood, which is very important. And last but not the least, protein also maintain the balance of hormone in your body. So these are all important things for which is required. In Zulal, we focus on a lot of gut cleansing and gut healing diet, and the whole idea of this diet is to cleanse the system from the fats which we have from non-veg diet. The whole diet is based on plant-based, which really helps to eliminate the fats what we have in your body. So now you know the astounding benefits of a plant-based diet, and here if you want to take a decision to move to a plant-based diet, you can now do with a lot of ease.